HIV is a virus that is transmitted through bodily fluids such as blood, semen, vaginal fluid, and breast milk. The virus is usually spread through unprotected intercourse, blood transfusions, and from mother to child during childbirth. HIV is not transmitted through touching. The most common means of transmission are through sexual contact and sharing sharp objects with someone who has HIV. The virus makes the immune system severely compromised, and the body is unable to fight off infections and diseases that can lead to AIDS. The early signs of having HIV can vary from person to person. Early signs that show someone has HIV include high fever, swollen lymph nodes, bruising, pain in your joints or muscles, and diarrhea. Your body can also show early symptoms like a cough, rash, weight loss, bleeding gums, and frequent headaches. The rash can happen on any part of the body. With the recent advances in HIV research and treatment, people with HIV can now live longer and healthier lives when they continue taking their medications. However, you need to know the early signs of HIV so that treatment will not begin when it is too late. You should watch out for sores or ulcers that don't heal, redness or soreness around the anus, loss of appetite, fatigue, and dry skin. Some people have early signs of sweating a lot at night, dark-colored urine, and a sore throat. You can have swollen glands, such as swelling of the lymph nodes in your armpit or groin. The signs that your body will show when you have HIV can be flu-like symptoms. Some of these signs might not be obvious until you pay close attention to them. Another common sign is an increase in the amount of mucus in your nose, which can be seen as a yellowish or greenish color. Other early signs of HIV include an increase in the number of small bumps on the skin, an increased amount of white blood cells, and abdominal pain. These symptoms may also last for several weeks before disappearing or becoming less severe. If you experience any of these symptoms, you need to see a doctor immediately for a blood test. When someone is diagnosed with HIV, they are given a list of drugs to help strengthen their immune system so they can keep fighting off the virus.